To change the text color in card, you use the built-in style settings inside the editor. This allows you to customize how your content looks and improve readability, branding, or visual hierarchy on your website. Start by opening your card dashboard and selecting the site you want to edit. Click Edit Site to enter the visual builder where all layout and design adjustments are made. Once inside the editor, click on the text element you want to modify. This could be a heading, paragraph, or any block of text on your page. After selecting the text element, look at the Settings panel on the right side of the screen. This panel contains all styling options for the selected element. Find the option labeled Color. This controls the text color for that specific element. Click the color box to open the Color Picker tool. From here, you can choose a preset color, move through the gradient selector, or manually enter a HEX color code if you want a precise shade that matches your branding. Once you select a color, the change will immediately apply to the text element in the editor preview. This allows you to see how the new color looks in real time. You can repeat this process for other text elements to create contrast between headings, subheadings, and body text. For example, you might use darker colors for main headings and lighter shades for secondary text to improve visual structure. If needed, you can also adjust text opacity or combine color changes with background adjustments to improve readability, especially if your site uses images or gradients. After making your changes, preview your site to ensure the text is clearly visible on both desktop and mobile views. This step is important because colors may appear slightly different on different screen sizes. Once everything looks correct, click Publish to apply your changes to the live website. And that's how you change text color in card. Select your text, open the Style panel, choose a color, and publish your site to apply the updated design.